Hello, this is John with Think the Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and modifiers. So to get here, you're going to go to hrpos.heartland.us and go to your menu icon here at the top, and then go to account menu, and all the way down here on the bottom is bulk editor. So the bulk editor tool is a new tool that just came out, and you're going to use this if you want to make a large amount of changes or adjustments or additions. Anything in bulk, you're gonna want to use this tool. It's very helpful. Now you do have a section here for record type, so we select that, and it shows us all the different areas we can go into. I'm not going to do a video for all these all in one video. I'm making separate videos for all these. We're doing modifiers on this video. If you want to see one of these other categories, please go do a search for that. So modifiers. Now there is a search field here, which is nice because most places have a lot of items and a lot of ingredients and a lot of modifiers. So it's nice, instead of having to scroll through this, it's nice to be able to have that search, although things are in alphabetical order. Then we have an add new. Yeah, if you're going to add a bunch of modifier groups and then you're going to add a bunch of the ingredients, this isn't a bad way to go. You could always do it the old-fashioned way too, but if you want to do this route, you can. This way will make kind of more sense when you're doing the ingredients one. If you're doing both of these in bulk, you can make this work. And then of course you have the X here that deletes that row. And here for the names, you can click in the fields and edit the names. You can bulk edit these. You can bulk edit the minimum and maximum choices. So that is the restrictions on how many ingredients on that modifier they have to select or can't select more of. If you want to force them to just pick one, then you put one. If you want to force them to pick up to 5 or leave it open to them to pick up to 5, then you can put 5. That's the minimum maximum. And then we have the number of included ingredients, which I don't have any on this menu. But on some of my other videos, you've seen me make a salad with a modifier of salad dressing, and I use included ingredients on that. So the scenario would be you have a salad and you have your list of salad dressings, and if you put the number of included ingredients as 1, they can choose at least one salad dressing. But I gave it like a maximum choice of like, I don't know, I think I did like 4 or 5. But so if they wanted 2 ranches, the first one would be free, but the second one would be 50 cents. And the third one would be 50 cents, etc., etc. So that's what the number of included ingredients does. And then you have this column for whether or not you want it to be available online or not. So it's nice to be able to go in here and just mass select all the ones that you don't want to show up. Don't forget to hit save at the bottom and then publish changes after that. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.